Two black-crowned night herons perched at the water's edge. True to their name, these birds do most of their foraging at night. Black-crowned night herons forage at night and spend much of the day hunched among leaves and branches at the water's edge. Juvenile black-crowned night herons have white spots and will acquire their blue and gray plumage within the year. Black-crowned night herons normally feed between evening and early morning, avoiding competition with other heron species. Juvenile black-crowned night herons leave the nest at the age of 1 month but cannot fly until they are 6 weeks old. They move through the vegetation on foot, joining the foraging flock at night. Great egret crossing the pond and perched between a night heron and its chick creates a highly tense and aggressive situation. The night heron would defend its chick from the intrusion of another large wading bird. The night herons avoid any contact with the great egret. Two black-crowned night herons perched at the water's edge. True to their name, these birds do most of their foraging at night.